Hi guys, today I'll be attempting to do the Biscoff cheesecake, which is a no-bake recipe. So if you would like to know more, please keep on watching. I actually don't have a food processor, so I actually had to manually use a bag to beat down the cookies. But in the case that it actually didn't all go to smaller bits and pieces, I actually had to do this to manually make it more make it more of a thinner so that the crust will be better. So I tried my level best to actually do it. So if you actually have a food processor, it will be better if you could actually use it so that the crust will be a fine and better, so it will be thin, all uniform instead. For this recipe, you can actually bake the crust, or you can also just leave it be. I actually bake the crust so to make it more crunchy.
Oh, fucking nice, yeah.
I'm actually using the crunchy version of this Biscoff because I couldn't find the normal spread, and it worked just fine, but you just need to microwave it to actually make it a bit more watered down, because it's a bit thick consistency now. So you need to put it in the microwave for like around 20 minutes, around 20 seconds, to actually make it a bit watered down, and it works just as fine. I'm actually using the heart-shaped pan, which is actually quite old, that I had like for a few years now. I've recently purchased some pans with not yet arrived, so I'm actually using this for the meantime, and actually looks kind of cute. But when I'm gonna cut it into small pieces, it's gonna be a bit of a challenge, but it's okay. It's just gonna be for for us to eat at home, so it's fine. If you want, you can use the more professional kind of looking pan, which is the circle one. And I'm actually putting the biscuit crumbs on top, so to just make it look all over the cake itself. This is the next day after refrigerating it for the whole night, and I'm gonna cut it now. So I just have the knife in hot water so that it'll cut nicely. I managed to cut it in small slices, and trying it, it was really delicious. You should really try this recipe. I love it so much. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye guys.